Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever hear the phrase case closed in a movie and wonder what it really means in the legal world? It sounds so final, but in the American court system, a closed case can mean several different things depending on the situation. Let's break down what it signifies. The meaning of a closed case primarily depends on whether it's a civil or a criminal matter. In a civil case, which is a dispute between two parties like a person or a company, closed means a final resolution has been reached. One common way this happens is through a settlement. The two sides agree to end the lawsuit, often with one party paying the other, and the court closes the case. A civil case can also be closed after a trial ends with a judgment. A judge or jury decides the outcome, and once the judgment is fulfilled, like a payment being made or an action being taken, the case is officially closed. Another possibility is a dismissal. A judge might dismiss a case for various reasons, such as a lack of evidence or a failure to follow proper legal procedures. Once dismissed, that case is closed. Now, in the criminal justice system, things are a bit different. A criminal case is closed when the legal process against the defendant is finished. This can happen if the prosecutor decides to dismiss the charges. Perhaps new evidence came to light, or they feel they can't prove their case. A case is also definitively closed after an acquittal, which is when a defendant is found not guilty at trial. Double jeopardy laws mean they can't be tried for that same crime again. If a defendant is found guilty or pleads guilty, the case isn't closed until the sentence is fully completed. This means serving all prison or jail time, finishing any probation or parole, and paying all fines and restitution. Once all those obligations are met, the court administratively closes the file. But does closed always mean it's over forever? Not always. A closed case can sometimes be appealed to a higher court, which starts a new legal process. In very rare instances, a closed case could be reopened due to extraordinary circumstances, like the discovery of crucial new evidence. So, case closed essentially means the active proceedings in that specific court have concluded. It marks the end of that chapter, whether through a settlement, a verdict, a dismissal, or a completed sentence. It's the court's way of saying its work on that particular matter is done. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful and want to understand more about how the legal system works, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.